Salmon is a highly nutritious food that offers numerous benefits for cyclists. Packed with protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential vitamins and minerals, salmon can help cyclists fuel their bodies for long rides and recover more quickly after intense workouts. The protein in salmon is essential for repairing and building muscle tissue, which is crucial for cyclists who put their bodies through rigorous training sessions. Additionally, the omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce muscle soreness and inflammation, allowing cyclists to recover faster and get back on the road sooner. Salmon is also a great source of B vitamins, which are important for converting food into energy and supporting overall metabolism. This can help cyclists maintain their energy levels during long rides and prevent fatigue. The vitamin D found in salmon is essential for bone health, which is especially important for cyclists who put stress on their bones during intense workouts. In addition to its nutritional benefits, salmon is a versatile food that can be easily incorporated into a cyclist's diet. Whether grilled, baked, or smoked, salmon can be prepared in a variety of ways to suit different tastes and preferences. It can be served as a main dish, added to salads or sandwiches, or even used in wraps or tacos for a quick and easy meal on the go. Overall, salmon is a powerhouse food that offers a wide range of benefits for cyclists. From its high protein content to its omega-3 fatty acids and essential vitamins and minerals, salmon can help cyclists fuel their bodies, recover faster, and maintain their energy levels during long rides. With its versatility and delicious flavor, salmon is a great addition to any cyclist's diet.